welcome back to Sign Live Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapie Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngeNemba. Niyazi guys, ma weekend season update ukuthi yini ongaseke uyilindele kuleli viki elisuke lizoqala. Guys, the storyline is all about uZethu kanye ke nomntwana. uZethu guys go uyafokofa kahle kahle. Situation yakhe it's not getting any better. Ever since nje ethula ingane akakemukeli ukuthi ke usenengane. She's still dealing with a lot of stress yena ke alone. But ke uZethu finally find her voice as a mother, but everyone is prepared. Not everyone is prepared to listen to her. But ke ukuba umama kwakhe kumenzela ke umthwalo ke omkhulu. Ngizokhumbula guys uZethu wakwazama nokuthi ke akhiphe ke isisu, but akuzange kuze kulunga because of amazwi kama wakhe ukuthi ke angikwazi ukuthi ngaphinde futhi ngikhulisa ingane yakho Zethu. Uthokozile wangishiya nezingane, yabo nje kuningi ngapha. Ubaby dad naye washona, so nje she's going through a lot. Okunye kuzokwenzeka guys ukuthi ke uma wethu go back to iZondo Tech, asazi ke ama-promises ka ama-promises kaZondo ukuthi uzokwazi ukuwagcina ke this time, but ke uzobuyela back to iZondo Tech. On the other side, uLazarus uthi ke uzoba i-CEO and uZoleka ke feels like she is demoted by that decision, but ke I think guys eventually uZoleka will just fit in like she always do ngama decision nje ke akamnyeni wakhe. So yeah guys, uZethu uyagoba kakhulu bakithi, ingane yakhala uyishushuzela akazi ukuthi ayenze njani. It's just a lot. She just needs someone to help her nje in this journey. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Bye.